Welcome to the COMET booth here at Semicon West. I'm delighted to be joined by Paul Smith. Great to see you again, Paul.
Hi, Trevor. Great to see you again. Thanks for stopping by our booth.
Yeah. So last year we had this huge launch of the Synertia RF generator and matchbox system. It was a major milestone for COMET. Give us an update on what's been happening over the last 12 months. How's the rollout been? What's been the acceptance in the market to Synertia?
So the Synertia product line, we launched the first version of the portfolio. We've continued to work on the portfolio roadmap, developing higher powers, higher frequencies.
Okay.
At the same time, we've begun engagement with end users, customers, who have now looked at and are starting to qualify the units for their next generation products and technologies. So I say so far the engagements are very good. Customers are excited. And it's also global, so we have engagements in Europe, US, and Asia.
And Asia, right,
Yeah.
okay. Interesting. So you've widened the frequency range that you're working in?
Yes, we're going up in frequency, and we're also going down in frequency on our roadmap.
Okay.
So from 400 kilohertz, 2 megahertz, 13.56 megahertz, 27, 40, and 60 megahertz.
Right, okay, so
And
that's...
that portfolio is still in development, but we're excited about it. And we're increasing the power.
Okay,
All
excellent.
right, so right now we have 1.5 kilowatt, 2.5, 3.5, 5 kilowatts. So we can make any power levels, under 5 kilowatts, and the roadmap is going up to 7.5, 10, 20 kilowatts.
Excellent,
So
excellent.
very scalable technology.
Right, right. Now, one of the things that I've noticed throughout the show here is, of course, the fact that a lot of companies are moving their processes into being able to capture big data and be able to get full traceability. And that's one of the beauties of the Synertia system. Can you talk to some of that?
It is. When we started the design process, we met with the chief engineers of our key customers. We looked at their roadmaps, their needs, and we built that kind of future into our product line. Two types of data. There's the general data, IoT, health of the system kind of data, temperatures, flows.
Yeah.
These elements that are needed for understanding when the product needs service or understanding how well it's performing in the long run. And then there's also the very critical real-time high-speed data that happens in plasma in the microsecond space. And so that's something very unique that's different than the general industry need for big data. This is really big process data, real-time, high-speed.
Wow.
And we built that into the system.
And you can build that. You can capture that in real time.
Capture that in real time.
Wow, that's exciting. Yeah, great. So another development that's been happening, I believe, is that COMET here in North America is moving into much bigger premises in the valley. An exciting time there, I guess. Tell us about that.
Yes, so COMET has been growing with the industry and growing faster in some cases in the industry. So we've expanded we've consolidated our 5 buildings into one larger building, over 50% larger than our existing space. It's good for business continuity and new product development and rapid R&D and transition to high volume manufacturing. Yeah, and that's our goal.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense to get the communication better, have it all in one building, and it sounds...
It's not just all-in-one for COMET employees. It's also an much more open architecture, greater engineering spaces to bring our customers in to work much closer and collaboratively on their next generation technologies.
Okay.
And that's going to be very exciting. I think COVID kind of wiped out people coming into the building, working together, and right now we've got a new space, very creative, collaborative, and all the tools needed.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we look forward to seeing that. I think that's going to be hopefully opening. You're going to have an opening maybe early next year sometime.
Right. We're looking to do a grand opening early next year. We just moved in last month, and we're still getting set up. We're getting our lines qualified, working closely with the customers, and I think the customers are very excited about the new space as well.
Great, great. Well, lots happening, and it's always great to catch up, Paul. So we'll look forward to seeing you next time.
All right, Trevor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stop by anytime.